So what is the correct way to do the follow for follow method? And before we start that, we need to understand why we need the follow for follow method. Why we need that for our Instagram building. So Instagram, when you start your page that from scratch, from 0 followers, that Instagram won't trust you. Instagram will think about that you are a serious business or maybe you are just here for fun. So this is why Instagram won't give you this organic traffic. This is the traffic that is really important for your page. So when you start, you need to having these followers from your own method. And the best way to use is the follow for follow method. And the follow for follow method that you can imagine that you are building a building, and the follow for follow method is the basement of your building. It's the basement, then once you have done the basement, you can go up to the first floor, second floor, third floor, and goes on and on. So the basement, your follow for follow method is really important. So once you have built your page to 1,000 followers, to 3,000 followers, then you will start having this organic growth, because Instagram will start believe that you are serious about this business. And this is depending on the niches that you select. If you select the niches that is more competitive, like the business motivational niche, then you will need more followers. And also one more thing that is really important, that you need to understand that follow for follow method, when you generate people from the follow for follow method, these people are not the people that you're going to sell your product. Then you're going to ask me, Johnson, if I got these followers but I can't sell any product to them, then why am I need these followers? So it's just like what I just mentioned, that you need these followers to give your building the basement. And the people that from the organic traffic is the people that is going to buy your product. Because these people from the organic traffic, these people are coming from your content. They see your video, they see your photos, and they really like your content, so they follow your page. And there will be a more chance these people will start buying your product. So the people that from the follow for follow method, these are not the people is going to buy your product. 99% these people won't purchase anything from your page, and the people that buying your product is from the organic growth. Alright, so now let's jump onto my computer. I'm going to show you how to do the follow for follow method. So first we are here on the Instagram page, and the first thing we need to do is go out to the search bar and type in the keyword that is related to your page. For example, I'm in the basketball niche, so you can search the basketball hashtag. We're going to do on the hashtag. It's easier to find the page that we want to do. So just click on the keyword that you're going to search. Then you're going to scroll down. You can do it on your phone or you can do it on your laptop. So it's easier for me to record so on my desktop. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go on to the most recent post, and you're going to click on the post, and you're going to take a look. First thing that you need to do is to check the page that is under 5,000 followers. So you can see from this page, it's 7,000 followers, and that is too much. So we're going to go on to the next one. So this page is 14,000. Okay, then the third page. So this page has got 3,000 followers, but this is not the perfect page, because the perfect page is they are having more following than followers. That means they are doing the follow for follow method, and it's going to be easier because the people that follow this page, if they are doing the follow for follow method, there will be a more chance these people will follow your page. So this is really important. You can try to find a page having more following than followers. And also remember, this page must be similar to your page. They are posting the similar content as your page. So now let's click on this page. So the next thing we need to do is when you come into this page, we need to do is not click on the follower here. We're going to click on the recent post. We're going to click on the last post. So click on this post. We can see this post has made in 13 minutes. So that means this post is only posted at 13 minutes ago. So we're going to click on the like button. So we can see there is only one people click on like. Then we can start follow this person. And why we need to find the post that is recent, because it's only 13 minutes and this guy is there will be a high chance those guys are stored on Instagram. And when you click on follow, those guys will get a notification that you follow their page, then there will be a high chance this guy will follow you back. So this is really important. So normally I will find a post that is under 2 hours. So this is only 1 like, so we're gonna check on the next post. Okay, this is 1 day ago, and that is too long. So you're gonna find the post that is under 2 hours. At least I would say 5 hours, because these people are having more chance they are stored on Instagram, and when you click on follow them, then they can immediately to see and they're gonna follow you back. There will be a more chance, okay? And also one more thing, when you follow these people, when you click on these people, you're gonna take a look on their photos and their username. Then you're gonna find a page that is not the business page. You only follow the people that is normal people. You don't want to follow a bunch of business page. Why? Because when you having this organic traffic, remember that when you're done with the follow for follow method, you're gonna start having this organic growth. And when the people that normal people come into your page, they see a bunch of business page that is comment on your page, that is like on your post, they will start thinking about your page is a spammy. So this is why I will recommend don't follow the page that is a business page. That is the page that is similar to you. You're gonna follow the people that is normal people. The people that has normal photos and have the normal username. You can easily to recognize that. So now we're gonna discuss how many people that we're gonna follow per day. So first, when you start, I will recommend that when you just create your account, the first week you don't follow anyone, because you can easily to get action block. And if you get action block at the first week, your account will be easy to get shut down. So the first week, don't do anything, just post normal content on your page. Start with the second week. The first day of the second week, you can start follow 5 people in the morning, in the noon, and at night. So 3 times per day and once 5 people. So that is totally is 15 people. Then the next day, you're gonna increase 5 people. So it's 10 in the morning, 10 in the noon, 10 at night. Then you're gonna increase 5 people again, 15, 20, 25, 30 people, until you reach 100 people per time and 300 people per day. You're gonna stop at the 100 people. So you're gonna start having this method works for you. And one more thing, one more important thing is, when you are doing this follow for follow method, sometimes you will get action block. So what I do when I get action block is, when I get the action block in the morning, then the rest of the day I won't do any follow for follow method. Just remember that when you get an action block, the rest of the day just don't do anything. And you're gonna decrease 5 people the next day. Then after next day, you can start plus 5 people again. So you're just gonna continue to do that until you get this organic growth. Until you see these people follow your page, that is from the organic growth. And how do you recognize these people are from the organic growth? Is when the people that you can click on your like button, you can see how many people follow your page. And you can see these people that follow your page, that you haven't followed them back. You can see the blue sign is still up there that shows you that you can follow them, and that means these people are from the organic growth. It's easy to recognize. You can find out when you start to do this follow for follow method. So when is the best time to stop the follow for follow method and the unfollow people? So the best time that I would say is when you having this organic growth. You can easily to recognize when you click on your like button, you can see who like your content, and you can easily to find out that these people that you haven't followed them, that you can see the blue light, it will show up there to tell you to follow them, and these people are from the organic growth. And also you can go up to your analytics and you can see your reach goes up, and that means you are having more followers, and that is the organic growth. And normally this will start from your page having 3,000 to 5,000 followers, and this is depending on the niches that you select. For example, my page, the business page, it starts from 5,000 and my basketball niche starts from 3,000. So it's depending on the niches that you select, the more competitive that you will need more followers. So how many people you're gonna unfollow per day that I will recommend is in the morning, you're gonna unfollow 50 people, and at night, you're gonna unfollow 50 people. So every day, you're gonna unfollow 100 people. And remember this is really important. Instagram doesn't want you to unfollow people, so you can easily to get action block when you are doing the unfollow method. Easier than the follow method. So it's really dangerous. You need to make sure when you get the action block, you need to decrease 5 people. Remember that when you get an action block, maybe in the morning or maybe at night, you're gonna stop everything that you do with the follow for follow method. So when you get an action block, you're gonna decrease 5 people. Then the next day, you're gonna stop the follow for follow method. Then the next day after, you're gonna start the follow for follow method again. So you're gonna decrease and wait for a day, then the next day you're gonna start unfollow people again. Just remember this, unfollow people is much dangerous than follow people. So remember this, you're gonna unfollow 100 people per day. So you can stop unfollow people when your account is having lower following than followers, or you can stop when you are having under 1,000, under 100, or 0 following. So it's just all depending on you. So maybe you're gonna ask me, is there any other ways that without the follow for follow method that you can start building your basement? Then I would say it's the Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels, that we all know that Instagram create this feature to compete with TikTok. We all know that TikTok are having these followers, Instagram losing followers, these people are go out to the TikTok, and Instagram create this feature, Instagram Reels, to try to take the user back to Instagram, this platform. So you can use this feature, you can post video on Instagram, and Instagram will drive a lot of traffic on your video, and you can start having these people that even unfollow your page, and that means if they like your video, they will start follow your page. So you can easily to get followers with posting Instagram Reels. If you want to know more detail about the method that I do, I have a video that's showing you all the detail about Instagram Reels. I will show you everything inside this video, how did I get millions of views and how did I get thousands of followers every single day. It's all inside this video. And you can also do as same as like me, you can do both methods. You can start with follow for follow and also posting Instagram Reels, so you will have this double Instagram growth. So basically this is all for today. This is all the method that I do with the follow for follow method. If you have any question, you are always welcome to leave inside the comment section. I will reply to each and every one. And if you got value out of this video, then give me a thumbs up. I'll be really appreciated. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell, so later on in the future when I post more Instagram growth video like today, you will get a notification. So I'm Johnson Lin, and be motivated and never give up.